But keep an eye on your bobber. Oh, it's going down, kiddo. Reel it.
It's going down.
Keep reeling. Alice, point it back down. Yeah, and then reel. Reel. There you go. It might have let go though. Yeah.
Did you want one?
So far it's been very uneventful today. Well, most of this trip really. But it's been more of a relaxing trip anyways. But I've been fishing, nothing. Nothing. Take me back up north. That's where I'd like to be. So, we'll see. Maybe I'll get out in the kayak later. Roar! So Rondeau round 2. It's a storming again. So we're gonna all head into this tent, our tent, and we're gonna play Exploding Kittens because we have the kids in our tent this time watching a movie, so we can't really play Cards Against Humanity. Well, let's hope it's not too bad. After 8 p.m. on the Monday, and the kids have destroyed the bed, watching their movie. So we're gonna make the bed, and everybody else has gone to their own tents, and yeah, might go outside a bit and sit in the rain. We'll see. It's not raining that too bad. We got Alice in new pajamas. I'm videoing.
Oh.
New pajamas. What are you doing?
Batman.
All right. Quick.
Okay. fire.
Listen to Uncle Buck when he says get hot.
Yeah, wet now, so.
Poor English, but good advice.
No, that's
So she doesn't play Minecraft?
No. Not at me.
Hey, Dad, I'm gonna tell you something.
Okay, well, that's fun.
No, there's no movies tonight.
Because I keep saying Jay, and you mean Uncle Buck?
No,
Like,
Daddy,
okay.
Yeah.
Daddy did because he did.
Oh, you threw it in
I
one of
know
those
he
things.
did magic.
That looks way better.
Yeah, I think he fall asleep much better in the garden.
So, second last night here. The rain let up finally. It's been a really good evening, actually. Some fishing. Sitting by the fire, made some s'mores. This video's like this whole series ready for this trip. Been more relaxed feel, family feel. Just, you know, I filmed so much this summer that it's just nice to just gotta sit back and not really film. So hope you all understand. But tomorrow we're gonna do some fishing. Might even be its own video on its own. Hopefully, if I actually get, because apparently there's a amazing largemouth fishing just in the bay there. We'll see. We'll see once I get actually out there. Other than that, I think we'll call it a night.